Hi everyone, and welcome to day 21 of this short reality transurfing course that I've created based on teachings by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist and reality transurfing author. Card of the day is called Master's Verdict, and here is a short description. Your whole life, everyone is telling you how you're supposed to behave. What beliefs are you supposed to have? What to strive for? What to read even? So since you alone create the layer of your world according to transurfing, you have to decide for yourself what is right for you and what isn't, and establish your own canons. So if you don't endanger someone else, of course, you are entitled to make your own decisions and live in accordance to your own convictions. So it is up to you to make that judgment of the master, so-called, which then liberates you from conditionings and from whatever creates obstacles on your way to your goal. That will help you to accomplish the security. So basically what this card is saying is you have to make your own rules. You have to walk away from someone else telling you what is right for you and really own your right to be right and to then create the layer of the world that will actually help you establish your own soul's calling, so to speak. And in this card we have this king, and here he's on his throne, and this person here is walking away from the king. And the way I see this is the king represents, even like in traditional tarot, a king represents, it's called a hierophant in the tarot. It represents some sort of traditions or conditionings or established rules by the society, and this person is actually walking away from it. And this kind of paper and proclamation, I guess it's on his own freedom, his own right to actually own his life and to walk away from those more kind of drawers that society puts him in. So he is now liberated and free. But you can be liberated only if you actually own this right. So, you know, there are as many opinions in our lives as there are people, I suppose. And some people claim that something is black, and some other people claim that the same thing is white. So who do you actually trust? And you can remember that in reality transurfing model of the world is actually this giant mirror, and it agrees with everyone who is there to make this decision for themselves. But you have to decide whether you're someone who accepts everyone else's belief systems, or you're actually the master of your fate, so to speak, or the master of your layer of your reality, because you are creating and manifesting each and every moment. The only thing is, you know, if you own your right to be right and to create what you're actually desiring, or what your soul is desiring, then you won't either feel guilty or to follow your own path. Or you won't actually be some sort of a victim of other people's pendulums, so to speak. So you have to be actually taking this proclamation and taking this law to yourself, and then create this layer of your world where you can own it and you can actually be your own creator. And this works if you follow your soul, if you follow the calling of your heart as well, and not just sheer reason. Because, you know, if you're only looking from a place of the physical universe, as we were mentioning before, you only see what you actually already experienced, which is the result of your previous thinking and beliefs. So you need to disregard it, focus on your end goal, focus on your vision of yourself, and then you will literally move the universe that will then come to your rescue, so to speak, and it will help you to manifest your desires. But only if you actually have become a master, if you become a master of your world. This will be all for today and this card. Tomorrow we're going to be doing the last card of this 22 major arcana card set, which are representatives of main and the most important principles of the reality transurfing, or this type of model of reality, so to speak. Hopefully it gives you some interesting insights about your own reality, and also it helps you kind of to broaden your horizons, to broaden your mindset into seeing yourself as much more than just your personality or just your conditions or even your physical reality, but it opens you up to this vast universe, or even multiverse, in which there are literally limitless possibilities for you as a metaphysical being, and not just a physical being, and also someone who is actually with their divine nature able to co-create with this universe. Thank you so much again, and see you tomorrow for this 22 day card. Thank you and goodbye.